We want.
Somebody could take the rest of the shackle bolts off, or the.
Well, not. I wouldn't.
Except for you, that's the only thing that's in the way.
Yeah, you have about 2 inches clearance.
Wait. Got it on this side.
All right, now we're at the point where we can take that off in the back there. Now, where's that hammer? Got that hammer up there? Thank you, sir. We'll get this. Got a little pistol.
Little issue, no leaf spring clamps and no center bolt. It's a little fun, little interesting project now.
Out or
Well, you might as well take it from the party.
So we have the center bolt that broke, and there are no spring clamps on each side. So this is our system. Works fine.
9/16 says it's somewhere.
yeah, we got there. I brought several of them out. You need a hammer?
There's a ball peen.
Ball peen. Yeah, I just need a little bit of big rubber.
It's not moving.
It's moving. Is it? Yeah.
I see this sliding down the rod, but I don't see Jared.
Like different mirrors.
No.
Points of view.
Yeah, we just laid under it and pulled it off.
2 people, right?
Yeah, kinda. Nathan mostly.
No, I don't. We had union pilots.
Most well-stocked garage I've ever been to.
I keep those because she always wants to put them in the fire. I go, no.
They start really well too. Well, you can only use so many of them.
I go, those are my best pieces, you know.
Ones with those splinters.
Should we wrap the chain around it?
Nah,
Because you'll have
that's
to
for sissies.
maneuver it so much you can't be able to do that.
All right.
There you go.
You wrap through the battery. Now, you're going to have, I don't know if I'll hold that down.
Try to drop it some more.
Just a little.
Yeah, or somebody want to hold that way? I dropped the.
Don't get your head underneath it. Larry, you're going to have to knock it over because the lever's hitting the battery.
You got it?
Oh yeah, right on this side of the battery. Here?
Yeah. The battery could be pushed over a little bit to the left there. Looks like.
Yeah.
There you go. That gives you a little bit.
All right. Tell me when.
My phone's up there.
You want me to come down?
Yeah, it's free. Yeah, it's free. Looks like.
It'll come down just a fuzz, and then because the pilot shaft to be sticking in there yet.
So Dad had your gun this.
How come it's not coming out? Good.
Back just a little more.
Hold on, I'm hitting.
Wait a minute, you're on this front.
I'm hitting this.
Yeah, the bar.
Put it up just a hair.
Now come down.
Yes.
Now you can't come down too far. You got to slide it over towards the other.
Where the emergency brake's
right.
sticking.
To the
Push the emergency brake over to the right.
There you go.
What's it hitting?
Like through the battery into that bar.
Now you got to raise up the back end back.
Raise up the back end.
Maybe.
If you can let it down another inch,
And then.
you ought to be able to push it back.
We had it on the ground and we just picked it up by hand. It's almost easier that way.
There it goes.
Okay, now you ought to be able to push it backwards.
Just keep. It can't go backwards. It's hitting
Push
emergency.
down.
Just be
Here, I
careful,
can
don't roll
lower
off.
this down too. Does that help?
A little. You're just gonna have to go down. It's not clearing the emergency
Yeah.
bar.
I'll go down.
Be careful, let them slide off. Okay.
Now you can roll it back.
Now you can go back a
Roll
little.
it back.
We're good?
Okay,
Yeah,
good.
you're
Good.
You wanna chain it on there before you start?
Yeah, probably should. Just chain will reach.
It'll take 12 supervisors to put it back in.
It will.
You better lock the door, no one can leave.
Yeah.
And the legend still could be.
That
Watch
one's
this
good
bar
now.
pin that sticks out.
There it goes.
Just barely.
You got it, Mary.
You can bench press it,
Yeah,
man.
don't let it turn over and dump the fluid out of it.
So now we'll remove the starter so that we can take the flywheel and clutch off easier.
We should unscrew that
This
pedal from the side. Yeah.
Brad and Chris's spare machine shop in the back.
Oh, yeah, well, there's always something.
So Mike, this is your car. How do you think it's going so far?
It's going great.
Excellent.
It's going great.
That's because we have Terry and Tom here with us, right?
That's right.
Well, there's a couple other people too.
Well, yeah.
Maybe 11/16, so that can't hold it.
And these bolts will go back in to place the flywheel, and not all the way, and you leave them
We
out.
can
about
leave
it.
them on there. I don't know why I put this extension on here. I didn't need it.
So now we'll take off the pressure plate.
What's that mean? 3 feet of water.
You got them out?
Yep.
Yeah, it's all.
The two pins are in it holding it.
What I would do is what we do is you can slide
Yeah,
it
they
loose.
have to pro-
That thing's
Yeah, real heavy.
Comes out there, watch your toes.
It's not.
No, that looks like
It's got the
Yeah,
shoulder.
it doesn't seem to
Looks like
be.
all right, well, take a couple of these bolts and don't put them in all the way. Leave them out about a half an inch, and then I'll get a ladder.
We're
Be
good.
careful with them.
Yep.
All right.
Now we gotta
You
take
want
these
help
guys
on
out.
one side or the other?
You need help?
We gotta take these out, don't we?
Yeah.
You need help on one side or the other? Because that's heavy.
Let me get under that.
Amy, what do you think?
That's not my car.
There's the new flywheel, lightened.
You start on the pins.
What's that?
Did it start on the pins?
Yeah.
Yep.
Just put the bolts in. They're over there.
Which ones were
That was quick and easy.
I might have both new bolts.
No.
Those are the ones you had in it, right? To get them out? What, these or
taking
what?
that push-up bolt out, isn't he?
Yeah. Four bolts go back on. Yep. We gotta torque them all down.
See how far I can get.
So now we'll torque the flywheel bolts to 65. And we'll have to get up holding the crank.
We gotta hold
It's
the.
spinning.
And then now two of you come to the same conclusion.
We got somebody.
How about
that's
a-
got
All
a front
right, I
crank.
got it here if this will hold it.
There you
An
go.
extension for half inch.
Yeah, I got it.
I did see reading
What are you looking for?
Extension.
as well.
Like it
We
might
have an extension.
Good.
be joints because there's less momentum and less force.
Okay, let me switch.
It's
the-
working.
They say it's easier to.
Are you going like halfway or something?
Yeah, just
And then kind of get them in there?
Saying you didn't have to press on the clutch as hard.
There's one.
I should have watched before they put
I'll
the
start over
flywheel
here.
back in because I missed that part. I didn't see the flywheel.
I twist off that
And the
bolt
old
up there.
one's back there.
What's that? Yeah.
And so that's not going back in. That's
No, that's gotta go back to the shop. There's a,
Hey, yeah.
Do you have a transmission shaft to put in there to put that
We're
piston
torquing
in?
these guys to 65 foot-pounds.
Deposit or something if we return your own part. So what?
There we go.
Got him?
Yeah.
Now, where we need the safety wire special.
Yeah, I got it.
I'm gonna bring my wire, it's a little heavier than that, it doesn't need to be.
this is 32. Should be 32. Where's Bob at? He used to have to inspect me for this all the time.
Who's it me?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's what you want to always do. But I can remember guys that I worked with that look at it, that ain't right. What do you mean, man?
I'm sorry that mine holds up right away.
Oh no, right there, that's good. I can do this way.
So tedious to get those wires out.
Yeah, once you get it. You got it now.
So it matters about which, the thread of the bolts, right? So that the bolts don't back out.
Yep. Yeah, see, and then I'll bring
Supposed
this
to be
one
right
down
handed.
around this way, and then I come back
So
around
that
and
if
go over
you,
that.
so it won't back out.
Yeah, if you didn't get this right, you weren't supposed to go on like that. I think Bob's gonna inspect me here in a minute.
Just go around, if they're wrong, just cut them. No, you do.
He was there, so now where do you
Yeah,
live?
that's what you're saying.
Yeah, Bob would inspect. Bob would inspect me.
Pretty looking.
But Bob kept
We
me.
live in Milford.
All right, we have a professional airline mechanic that did our wire ties for us on the flywheel. How spectacular.
We got the bearing in. Now it's clutch plate.
Like that?
And there's the new pressure plate with the 3.
You want me to
Okay.
help hold it?
Well, yeah, line the, maybe out of the pink.
Pink to pink?
There's
Oh.
marks on the flywheel and on the pressure plate there.
But and that's a new flywheel and a new
They're balanced together, that's the mark.
Oh, well that
put a
makes
li-
sense
he
why
put
you
a
have to get
light
them
on
together
these.
then. Then that's the answer of why you have to get them together.
They're
They're
balanced.
balanced. So if you got your pressure plate together, it's the good stuff.
Yes.
But you can reuse the original
Mix and
plate
match.
with the pressure plate?
Well, it already has to locate the part, puts a witness on it. And that's just beautiful because then you don't have to.
Yeah, you don't have to do anything.
Yeah. Because I can't tell you how many times, like, if production has to run and the stupid marking system's down, they'll run it without marking the part. Yeah.
So we got the V8 clutch and pressure plate on. Lightened flywheel. Should be good to go now. Okay, we got all the bolts in around the flywheel housing. The input shaft is in the flywheel, and we have the lower radius rod cap installed kind of correctly. And I think we're good. All right, so we got the little clamshell gaskets in there, the universal joint, the bolt through it to hold it. And now we're gonna break for lunch. Our lunch is served in this hand-built log cabin by Brad and Chris. Let's go check out the guys and see what they're all doing. Look at everybody in here. Look at the workforce. Thank you, Brad and Chris. This is awesome.
Anyways, so we bought this door and like.
So there is only one leaf spring remaining from this rear spring pack. And we are gonna try and knock it out the old-fashioned way.
Bring that special tool over here.
Yeah.
The dangerous wrong way.
You know that? I made
Which one, the spring one or this one?
Yeah, but
Doesn't make any difference, we're gonna both come out anyway.
It might not want to move anyway, because it might have a shoulder on it.
Yeah, it's heavy. It can kill.
That's the reason I was gonna say, you got like a 2x4, a little piece.
Yeah, it's under
Yeah.
wood. It's under wood.
now we got a pound.
Now you got it.
Try tapping. They got the hammer.
You got the hammer over there to try?
You need the little pin?
He's got it over there too, yeah. We need,
Well, you want a bigger hammer?
I'll try and see how it goes. Let me see.
You may need a big.
Yeah, don't force it, get a bigger hammer, huh?
Is it coming?
Move slightly.
Oh, this one here might have nothing in it.
Can you hit here?
Yeah, can you hit the middle of the upper shackle?
Oh, yeah, you can see it. There you go. Gotcha.
There she goes.
Yeah. Watch out now. Get your fingers
Yeah,
out of there
yeah.
now.
Oh man, I was bringing cords.
That's it.
You come right out.
Yeah.
Just hit his shoulder on it, hit the shoulder.
Here it comes.
Yeah, come out all right.
Yeah, I'd say that baby was, got the mileage out of that one.
I could tell when it was up.
You'll need those too.
I got them. Right here. You got those?
Oh, you got this.
Look at that wear on that. That whole thing has been worn through. That is crazy.
So far, but where's the
The upper clamshell, the universal joint, giving us a little bit of choice.
Yeah, my knees
Get a vice grip to squeeze the side together. It'll probably just
Move them out of the way for you.
Him hang trouble with the transmission.
Use the shoulder for a brace.
It's got 6 to 7.
I'm zoomed in.
universal.
Right now we are adjusting the clutch free play from underneath the car.
So did we find the brake bolts? Okay. But we don't have the other side.
Yeah. And I made the doors big enough.
Yep, it spins it out.
Then we just installed the starter.
I've never tried to start one.
Doesn't this bracket
Yeah,
for this
I never
switch
started
go
one
on this bolt?
What's that?
Sometimes street.
Yeah, I use it a lot. But if I'm working with somebody else blind, it's not a third one.
So those bolts couldn't be in any of this paper that someone picked up.
We'll find it.
All right, Mike, what do you think about all your hard work today?
I tell you what, you guys are absolutely amazing. I love this club.
We might have to go outside, I'm sorry. 'Cause
There we go.
it's so bad